Hey dorks! Welcome to another weird sushi video. Today is actually going to be kind of tame in comparison to the others. My kitty's getting comfortable in the background there. Anyways, so we're going to do herbs basically. I mean, you don't usually find these herbs in sushi, but I think they might actually turn out pretty well. We're going to do mint. We are going to do basil. We are going to do cilantro, which I heard that a lot of people don't like, but I love cilantro. And this one's a bit messy. We're falling apart. And we're also going to do Italian parsley. Obviously we got to do this, today, because otherwise all those herbs are going to go bad. Then we're probably going to make a chickpea salad, but I won't do a video for that. So, yeah. Gonna do 4 herbs in sushi. Just waiting for the rice to cool down right now. Then I'll add, by the way, it's very important to add rice vinegar to your sushi rice. Always add rice vinegar. Anyways, that's all I have to say for now. Let's get to the sushi making. Hi dorks, I'm back. As you could see in the video, I only had enough rice for 3 rolls, but I think I managed to separate the cilantro and Italian parsley well enough. Just stir up my soy sauce wasabi mixture a bit. And let's give it a try. We're going to start with a very bushy one. Cilantro. Okay, so this is cilantro. Sorry if you can hear my neighbor's dog. They've been yapping all day. was a Big Mackey roll. And actually, I think that might have been Italian parsley. Let me just smell this one. Yeah, that might have been Italian parsley. Anyways, it's not bad. Too much wasabi in the soy sauce again. Or just enough, depending on how you look at it. So, let's try the next one, which is either Italian parsley or cilantro. As you can see, this roll didn't turn out very well. I don't know what it was, but it just did not want to roll. It's hard to smell the difference between Italian parsley and cilantro sometimes. Alright, bottoms up. Yeah. I still can't taste the difference between Italian parsley and cilantro. I think I just added too much wasabi and soy sauce, so I just can't taste it. But it also wasn't too bad. I mean, all of these are going to be pretty decent, I think, because you can't really go wrong with herbs. Hello back there, Paleo. Alright. And this one, is that mint? Yep. Alright, so this one is mint. Gonna add less soy sauce, wasabi this time. And cheers! Surprisingly enough, I'm not a huge fan of mint. I don't know. Maybe it just overpowers it too much. But yeah, okay. Mint, not as good as the others. But let's try basil. And cheers. Okay, basil I can definitely imagine will go well with vegetables. Or fish, whatever kind of sushi you like. Yeah, I like basil, but definitely not on its own. It should be paired with something. Alright, so might as well finish this sushi. And that's the end of the video. Hope you had fun. Hope you weren't too disappointed with that one roll. Actually, it's two pieces that kind of got messed up. Alright, bye!